I've been using the MetaTrader 5 app for a while now, and in this video, I want to give you my honest, unbiased review. I'll go over everything that matters from the main features to the potential downsides, so by the end, you'll have a clear idea of what MetaTrader 5 actually offers. Well, MetaTrader 5, or MT5, is a trading and analysis platform that connects you to hundreds of brokers. It lets you trade in global financial markets right from your iPhone or iPad. The idea is simple but powerful. You get real-time price quotes, advanced charts, multiple order types, and built-in analytics to help you make informed trading decisions. It's designed for all kinds of traders, from beginners testing demo accounts to professionals managing large portfolios. And because it syncs across devices, anything you do on desktop carries over seamlessly to your phone or tablet. Let's look at the features. MT5 provides live quotes, depth of market data, and every type of order execution you'd expect from a professional platform. The charting tools are excellent. You can choose from multiple themes and chart styles like candlesticks or bars, and use over 30 technical indicators along with 24 analytical tools, including Fibonacci retracements and Gann line. On an iPad, you can even view up to 4 charts at once, set stop loss and take profit levels visually, and get instant notifications about trades or market events. There's also built-in financial news, private chat with other traders, and support for automated strategies through expert advisors. The app covers a wide range of markets: forex, indices, commodities, stocks, and even some cryptocurrencies depending on your broker. Now for the pros. The app is fast, stable, and handles real-time data with almost no lag. The chart customization is surprisingly deep for a mobile platform, rivaling desktop tools. The free demo account makes it easy to practice without risking real money, and the cross-platform sync is extremely convenient. Security is strong too, with encryption and two-factor authentication, but there are a few downsides. Finding a broker that works well with MT5 can be confusing, especially if you're just starting out. Depending on your broker, some markets may appear in the app but aren't actually tradable, which can be annoying. A few users have also reported freezing issues when placing multiple orders quickly, something that could be costly in a live trade. And while the interface is powerful, it can feel a bit overwhelming at first if you're new to trading platforms. Overall, MetaTrader 5 is a feature-rich, professional-grade trading app that delivers serious tools in a mobile package. It's not the easiest platform for beginners, but if you're willing to learn, or if you're already familiar with MetaTrader, it's one of the best trading apps available today. It combines speed, flexibility, and deep analysis tools in one solid package.